staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. The essential food for longevity: choosing the right eggs. When it comes to a healthy and balanced diet, eggs are considered to be one of the most important sources of nutrition. Eggs contain a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals, high-quality protein, and healthy fats. In fact, many nutrition experts recommend eating eggs every day as part of a healthy diet. However, not all eggs are created equal. The quality and nutritional value of eggs can vary widely depending on a number of factors, including the way the chickens are raised, what they are fed, and how the eggs are processed and stored. In this video, we will explore the importance of choosing the right eggs and offer some tips on how to make the best choices for your health and longevity. The nutritional value of eggs. Eggs are considered to be a nutrition powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are vital for good health. Here are just a few of the key nutrients found in eggs. Protein. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to build and maintain muscle mass and other tissues. Vitamins. Eggs are a rich source of many essential vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and various B vitamins, including vitamin B12. Minerals. Eggs are also a good source of many essential minerals, including iron, zinc, and selenium. Healthy fats. Eggs contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help to reduce inflammation, support heart health, and provide energy for your body. Choline. Eggs are one of the best sources of choline, a nutrient that is important for brain health and development. How to choose the right eggs. Now that you understand the importance of choosing the right eggs, here are some tips to help you make the best choices for your health and longevity. 1. Look for eggs from pastured chickens. Eggs from pastured chickens are another good choice, as these chickens are allowed to roam and forage in grassy fields and eat a diet that is rich in insects, worms, and other natural foods. These eggs are likely to be higher in essential nutrients and healthy fats than eggs from chickens that are confined to small cages. Pasture-raised means, birds must be placed on a pasture for at least 6 hours each day. Each hen must have at least 108 square feet, 15,552 square inches, of pasture. The pasture must be covered mainly with living vegetation. 2. Look for eggs from free-range chickens. When shopping for eggs, look for eggs from free-range chickens that are allowed to roam freely and eat a natural diet. These eggs are likely to be higher in essential nutrients and lower in harmful chemicals than eggs from chickens that are confined to small cages. Free range means, birds must have access to an outdoor area for at least 6 hours each day. Each hen must have at least 2 square feet, 288 square inches, of outdoor space. The outdoor space doesn't need to have any living vegetation. 3. Choose organic eggs. Organic eggs are another good choice, as they are produced from chickens that are fed a natural, organic diet that is free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. Organic eggs are also free from hormones and antibiotics, which can be present in conventionally raised eggs. Check the label. When shopping for eggs, be sure to check the label for information about how the chickens were raised and what they were fed. Look for labels that indicate that the eggs are from free-range, organic, or pastured chickens. Choose fresh eggs. Fresh eggs are also important, as they are likely to contain more of their nutritional content than eggs that have been sitting on a store shelf for several weeks. Look for eggs that have a bright, firm yolk and a clear, thick egg white. Store eggs properly. Finally, it's important to store eggs properly to help them retain their nutritional content. Eggs should be stored in a cool, dry place, such as in the refrigerator, and away from any strong-smelling foods, as they can absorb odors. Avoid washing eggs until you are ready to use them, as this can remove the protective coating on the shell and make them more susceptible to bacterial contamination. The importance of choosing the right eggs. While all eggs contain many essential nutrients, not all eggs are created equal. The quality and nutritional value of eggs can vary widely depending on a number of factors, including how the chickens are raised. One of the most important factors that can affect the quality of eggs is how the chickens are raised. Chickens that are allowed to roam freely and eat a natural diet are likely to produce higher quality eggs than chickens that are confined to small cages and fed a diet of processed grains and other feed. What the chickens are fed. The diet of the chickens can also have a big impact on the quality of their eggs. Chickens that are fed a diet of natural, organic feed that is free from pesticides and other chemicals are likely to produce healthier eggs than chickens that are fed a diet of processed grains and other feed that may contain harmful chemicals. How the eggs are processed and stored. The way that eggs are processed and stored can also have an impact on their nutritional value. Eggs that are pasteurized or processed in other ways may lose some of their nutritional value, while eggs that are fresh and stored properly can retain more of their nutritional content. Conclusion. Eggs are an important source of essential nutrients, high-quality protein, and healthy fats, and can be a valuable part of a healthy and balanced diet. However, it's important to choose the right eggs to ensure that you are getting the most nutritional value from them. When shopping for eggs, look for eggs from free-range, organic, or pastured chickens that are fresh and stored properly. By making these choices, you can enjoy the many health benefits that eggs have to offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.